Decoding the phrase, bar clamp. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the world of phrases and exploring the meaning behind the term, bar clamp. Whether you've come across it in DIY videos or reading instructions, by the end of this session, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how it's used. First, let's deconstruct the term. Bar. A long, rigid piece of metal or wood, usually straight but sometimes curved. Clamp. A device, usually of some rigid material, for strengthening or supporting objects or fastening them together. Combine these two and you get? A bar clamp is a type of tool used in woodworking, metalworking, and other crafts to hold two or more pieces together. It typically consists of a long metal or wooden bar, with a clamp mechanism at one or both ends. This mechanism can be tightened or loosened, allowing you to securely hold objects in place or release them. Bar clamps are incredibly versatile. Here are a few common uses. Woodworking. When gluing two pieces of wood together, a bar clamp can keep them securely in place until the glue dries. Metalworking. Holding metal pieces together while welding or soldering. DIY projects. Whether you're making a bookshelf or repairing a broken chair, bar clamps can come in handy to hold things together. The strength and rigidity of the bar allow for even pressure across a larger surface area, making the bonding process more efficient. There you have it. The bar clamp isn't just a random combination of words but a handy tool in various crafts and DIY projects. Next time you come across this term, you'll know exactly what it's all about. We hope this has been enlightening. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.